Synonyms of the word abash: fluster, disconcert, discomfit, discompose. Abash. The word abash means to cause someone to feel embarrassed, ashamed, or self-conscious, typically by one's words or actions. Sarah's boss reprimanded her in front of the entire office, which abashed her and made her feel embarrassed. He was abashed by the sight of his ex-girlfriend at the party, and he couldn't bring himself to approach her. The teacher's criticism abashed the student, and he lost his confidence in the subject. The athlete's poor performance on the field abashed him, and he felt like he let down his entire team. Fluster. The word fluster means to make nervous, confused, or agitated, to throw into disorder. The waiter's rude behavior flustered the customer, and she couldn't enjoy her meal. The unexpected news of the test results flustered the patient, and he became anxious about his health. She became flustered when she couldn't find her car keys, and she started to panic. His lack of preparation for the presentation flustered him, and he stumbled over his words. Disconcert. The word disconcert means to upset or confuse the composure of, to disturb the poise of. The strange noise coming from the basement disconcerted the homeowner, and he called the police. The candidate's evasive answers in the interview disconcerted the hiring manager, and he didn't offer her the job. The sudden change in plans disconcerted the group, and they didn't know how to proceed. The professor's unconventional teaching style disconcerted the students, and they found it difficult to follow along. Discomfit. The word discomfit means to frustrate the plans or expectations of, to make someone feel uneasy or embarrassed. The inexperienced boxer was discomfited by his opponent's aggressive style, and he lost the match. The company's financial losses discomfited the CEO, and she had to make difficult decisions to cut costs. His lack of knowledge about the topic discomfited him during the debate, and he struggled to make his points. The unexpected rainstorm discomfited the wedding guests, and they had to move the ceremony indoors. Discompose. The word discompose means to disturb the composure of, to unsettle, to agitate. The news of his friend's illness discomposed him, and he couldn't focus on anything else. The thought of giving a speech in front of a large audience discomposed her, and she spent hours practicing to overcome her nervousness. The criticism from her colleagues discomposed the artist, and she started to doubt her abilities. The loss of his beloved pet discomposed him, and he felt a deep sense of grief.